All right, my scholars, let me ask you a question. Do you know what type of bird this is? Did you say an ostrich? If you did, you are correct. The scientific name for the ostrich is Struthiocamelus. Struthiocamelus. That's its scientific name. Now, the ostrich is a large, flightless bird that lives in Africa. Listen to me, they are the largest living bird species in the world and have the biggest eggs. Yes, the biggest eggs of all the living birds. Now, ostriches do not fly, yes, but can run faster than any other birds. So they make up for it. And ostriches have the biggest eyes of all land animals, not just birds, but all land animals. Family. I mean that family. Our youths, our young ones, our children, we need them, redeem them, and clean them. You see them, or else the enemy will come and scheme them. Family. I mean that. Family. Education for the nation that's full of salvation, biology, astronomy, and African theology, geography. Family. I love that. Family. Whatever the age or the stage, that youth will be engaged with tutorials, activities, and videos from the studios of the Priest Isaac Institute of Holistic Knowledge. Family.
The International Homeschool program is designed and recommended for all ages. The psychological state of our children is very important, especially in the environment that most of us live in. The International Homeschool program provides online classes, activities, and videos that are fun for the youth and edifies them of their African heritage as well as the higher sciences. To enroll your family today, visit www.priestisaacinstitute.com, go to the main website, and search for Youth Corner. Or you can email priestisaacinstitute@gmail.com for a course sample. Thank you. Thanks.